Welcome to Unboxing Monday. This is gonna get a little spicy because we're gonna talk about Manscaped. Somebody needs to talk to you about scaping your man, okay? So these are some really great tools to use. This is the lawnmower, because if your grass is overgrown, you should probably mow it down just a little bit. This is what's really great. It's rechargeable. It's skin safe, and there's blade replacements as well. It's waterproof, and there's a travel lock. So when you travel, you're not gonna burn your battery out. Then we have the Weed Whacker. Now the Weed Whacker is really important because, as a hairdresser, I have the man check where I check eyebrows, nose, and ear. You got, if you can see the hair coming in and out when you're breathing, get a Weed Whacker. Whack those weeds out, get those taken care of. Now this is one of my favorites. This is this is a crop mop. Now it's important, these are, and I'm just reading it here, these are really, they're great ball wipes. For whatever balls you want to wipe them on, they're great ball wipes. They are anti-chafing, they're moisturizing, they're deodorizing ball wipes, and they protect you for, on-the-go activities. Active life, work, travel, dating. You just grab one and wipe your balls whenever you need it, okay? So there's that. I started sweating on that one. Then this is actually very cool. Now, this is a whole kit. Oh, these are the accessories. Now I'll just read these out. We have, we have the crop, and then we have, out of here. Manscaped. Oh, they sent us some boxer briefs. And I don't know what's in these accessories. Oh, yeah. This is the best. All the things. Who's gonna thank you? Just saying. Okay. Now this says, "Let's get mowing," and this is your this is your lawnmower. Again, I love this because it's rechargeable. There's replacement heads. There's guards, so you can adjust the level of grass you would like. We also have the crop preserver, which is it says it's a ball deodorant, and it's anti-chafing as well. And then we have, let's see, this is the crop reviver. This is a ball toner. Who knew? So many things you can do with balls. And then if you need to read a little paper, they say balls. So this is all about your ball care and making sure you trim that grass. All great information. We're not done yet, because we have the boxers, extra large, which is awesome, and this is the lawnmower 4.0 deluxe, right? I don't even know what's in these accessories. What are these accessories? Awesome. So these accessories, these are all your extra attachments for your lawnmower, because we want to make sure that grass is taken care of. I love that they even sent a charger with the USB. There's a little brush so you can clean that little ball residue, your grass residue. And let's see, which one is this? I think this is the charger. So you just plug it in and you charge it up. I love it. Small, completely awesome to travel with. Put that back in the accessory bag. But the other thing that's really great is they sent me this is the best. They sent me a dock kit to hold all of my ball care items. My grass mower, my weed whacker, everything fits in this bag. Boom. Alright, time to go crop, mop.